Okay. Resource manager. This is another very beautiful feature that has came into the Java 7. Prior to Java 7, resources such as connections, files, input-output streams, even you can say your socket connections, etc. should be closed manually by the developer. A simple example code, just go through it. You must have come across in your day-to-day programming this type of coding practice, where you must have opened some of the resources and then catch, and you must have given these things in finally block. For each clause you must have put a try, whether it is a connection or statement or basically file output stream or some input stream. Now with Java 7, particularly this part is no more required. Let's see. However, Java 7 has introduced another cool feature. To manage the resources automatically, any resource that implement java.lang.auto-closable interface can be a candidate for automatic resource management. Automatic resource management. A new interface has been introduced. For I/O, the auto-closable is a parent of java.io.closable interface, and it just has one method, that is close, that would be called by the JVM automatically when the controls come out of the try block. Called by JVM automatically when the control comes out of the try block. This is so simple. Try, resources to be cleaned. Your code to work on resources, you need not to provide the close. Let's see example code. Can handle another beauty, can handle multiple resources. The close method of resources are called in the opposite order of their creation. See, let's see this example first. This is file output stream, and then this is data output stream. The same example with Java 7 that we have just saw. We just saw. So we are opening two streams over here. We are doing our task over here. You can handle the exceptions over here, but need not to specify closing for each of the resource that you have opened within the try. And you can, with this simply putting the semicolon, you can specify multiple resources in a single try. This is try with resources statement. Now, called in the opposite order. This means this will get closed first and then this will be closed. Any catch or finally block is run after the resources declared have been closed. So if you are having any catch or finally statement over here, you must be confident that your resources are already closed. So this is a very new and impressive and very useful thing that Java has introduced, and this will reduce a lot of code in your programming and easy many of the error-prone things that you will be coding otherwise. You can retrieve these suppressed exceptions. So actually it suppresses the exception thrown by this execution, but you can always get those suppressed exception in your caller method using throwable.getSuppressed method from the exception thrown by this try block. So you have this option with you to get those suppressed exceptions. So this is actually a try with resources statement. So the important thing here is two interfaces that has been introduced. The auto-closable interface, and another one is for I/O, the closable interface. So not much changes in language in Java 7. the day-to-day programming language, but whatever changes that came in Java 7 are basically, you can say, making the Java more faster